New York bans discrimination against natural hair. New York government. Andrew Cuomo. The New York Democrat signed into law, which prohibits race discrimination based on natural hair or hairstyles. The law amended the state's Human Rights Law and Dignity for All Students Act to make it clear that race-based discrimination also includes traits. 4. By Assembly Member Tremaine S. Wright D. said that the legislation is personal to her as a while. Earlier this month, California government Gavin Newsom made the bill, also dubbed the Crown Act, stated that workplace policies prohibiting natural hair including. At the time, Newsom called the bill's passage an opportunity.
Raindrop, drop top smoking, no cooking the hot pot. Fucking on your bitch, yeah, that. Looking up, open the park pot.